Today I am going to solve question number 11 of exam style questions of chapter number 8 of your book. In this question you have been asked to use a trace table to test the program you have written in question number 10. As I have already done question number 10 in my previous video and, I showed you the output of my program also. Now I am going to show you the trace table. This is a trace table that I have made. In the trace table you write the names of all the arrays and variables at the top. I have written the names of all the three arrays that were declared in the program. I have written the names of the rest of the variables that I had declared in my program. In the start, the array was not in an alphabetical order of staff name. As you can see from here, we saved the staff count using the length function in staff count, and in the count we used a counter as a variable, and it was supposed to loop for 6 times and display display all the names, phone numbers and offices. I have done the same thing over here. The counter started from 1 until 6, and on every loop it displayed the output of the names of the staff members along with their phone numbers and their office locations. This was the first part of her program. In the second part of her program, it was supposed to arrange the variables in an alphabetical order. There were two variables, I and j. I was the outermost loop and j was the inner loop. I was supposed to begin at 1 and j was supposed to begin at 2. The procedure is supposed to start, and the value of I is supposed to start from 1 and go till 6. The value of j is supposed to start from I plus 1, that is 2, and go till 7. And on every iteration this procedure is looking at the names of first two staff members, and if they required to be exchanged to make them in an alphabetical order, their positions have been changed. So in every iteration the alphabetical orders of these staff members are rearranged till in the last iteration all the staff members are now in an alphabetical order, and this program is also rearranging their phone numbers and office locations also. In the third loop, the staff detail of a specific member should be displayed. This procedure is accepting one name as an input. So I am giving the name of staff member A as an input. It will display only the specific details of that given staff member. So because the loop will stop at only the first position, because it will find A at the first position, it will display the phone number and name, phone number and office location of A. In the last procedure that I have done, you are supposed to take the name of a staff member and change its phone number to another specific phone number and its office location to another specific office location. So I have given again while calling, because in this part of my program I am calling all the procedures. When calling this last procedure, I have given the name A, so that the phone numbers and office locations of office location of A should change to triple Z, and the phone number of A should change to 777, and the office location of A should change to triple Z. Now have a look at the trace table. Again, on the very first iteration, it has found the required staff member, given staff member, and it has changed and displayed the phone number and specific value of A over here. And ethically it should be done over here also, that I should copy and paste the value of A over here, and I should change its phone number of A from 555 to triple Z over 777 over here, and uh, the office location of A from triple E to triple Z. So these values should also change over here. Now the trace table is complete. In the next video, I will solve question number 12 of your exam style questions. Thank you.